Welcome to this session on exporting a public health surveillance report in SAS VIA 4. Thanks in part to the COVID-19 pandemic, public health data is in great demand. Visual Analytics, or VA, in SAS VIA allows quick and easy report production with multiple options for sharing your report. Once you've finished creating the report you want to share, determine how you want to share it. To simply share the report link, use the Share Report feature. This allows others with access to your environment to read or edit depending on the permissions specific to your report. By using the Distribute Report feature, you can send a link of the report to those with access to the SAS VIA environment, or attach a PDF to the notification. With a PDF attachment, you can distribute the report to people who do not have access to the environment. SAS VIA reports and objects can also be embedded into websites, connected to websites using an SDK connection, or exported to a website using the Export Report Package feature. When exporting a report, the report will download a zip file, which can take a minute or so to complete. VIA will notify you once the zip file is downloaded. Unzip the files and provide to your organization's webmaster, or post to the folder from which your website renders. The report will look and function the same as it did in VIA. Here's the image of the published report after exporting it from the VIA environment.